Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful ribbon. I am using the simplest and the easiest way of making this, so it's very easy to follow. So let's get started. Need our darning needle, scissors, 2.2 millimeter hook, and the color pink yarn. So we will start by making a chain. So the length of our chain, it depends on how big or small your ribbon. So I chain 12 and then I add 3 to pick up the height of my first double crochet. So I made my first double crochet at the third stitch from the third chain from my hook, and then I will continue making double crochet till the end of my chain, and at the end of this row we will have 13 double crochet. So I will finish this off cam and then I'll be back when I reach at the end of this row. So we're almost done for our first row of double crochet. So after this double crochet, we will chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will flip our work, and then we will yarn over and then insert our hook at the very next stitch at the back loop only, and then yarn over and then pull through. And then again we are using the back loop only pattern because this is it make ridges and it creates design. So again, it's back loop only, so like yarn over and then insert your hook at the back stitch only, and then yarn over and pull through. So this is what it looks like when we are using back loop stitch only. The ridges create design. So we will just keep doing that, keep repeating the pattern till we finish our project. So we are almost done for our second row. And then again, when we reach at the end of the rows, we will make a chain of 2, 1, 2, and then flip our work, and then double crochet at the back loop only, insert your hook at the back stitch, and then yarn over and then pull through, and then yarn over and then pull through. So we're almost done for our ribbon. So I think this is wide enough, so I will stop here. I will cut my yarn and then I will wave it. This is wide enough for me for my ribbon, and I think the size is perfect. So we will now create the shape of our ribbon. So we will just grab our darning needle, put yarn on it, and then sew in the middle of our crochet thing that we made, and then you just need to tie it tightly in the middle so that it will create the shape of our work. I think this is tight enough, so we will just cut the tail of our yarn, and then there you go, we have our beautiful ribbon ready. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video.